Hey guys, Louie here, and welcome to the weekend. I'm glad we made it, and it has been an interesting week to say the least. Let's go through it. Well, here is the chart of silver for the month, and as you can see, around the middle of the month, we did have that giant sell-off from 27 and change all the way under 22. And here we have clawed our way back from no man's land, which is where it was. People were expecting it to go down, and clawed ourselves all the way back. It has been a wild ride this week, as it has been with the stock market as well, with tweets and undoing tweets and stimulus deals that are on again and then off again. Well, it's all just a big charade, you know. I mean, they're just trying to talk the market back up. They don't have a deal. They probably won't have a deal till after the election because, you know, the more suffering that's imposed on people, I guess the better they like it. I'm not sure. That's the people we elected. And, you know, who to give the money to is the question, right? Should it be, you know, 1 million or 3 million? Should the states get some of the money? Everybody's got to get the money, right? If everybody doesn't get the money, the economy can't recover. So I think it's silly, you know, after you've already thrown out the baby, to be arguing about the bathwater and how much more of it you can spill out. It's all got to come out. All the bathwater's got to come out. They're going to throw, as I said about, I don't know, maybe even 9 months or a year ago, it's going to take about 50 trillion. All right. And that's what I expect is happening, either in direct disbursements or through the monetary exchange with other countries, through the repo window. So, you know, there you go. That's where we are. But yippee, we're back up in 25, and everything could go right back on track. Could drop back down to 24. But I think silver proved itself, and nice to see some of the volume starting to come back. I think when Bitcoin rallied, that also got people thinking about silver. Of course, unlike silver, Bitcoin crashed today. It didn't crash, but I mean, it went down in an up market. So I guess Bitcoin made its run too soon, and silver and gold followed here. Wasn't hard to predict. When people thought there was a stimulus going to come, then naturally people would think the dollar would go down and metals would go up. And it was a good time for that, but it was all an illusion. Nothing actually happened at all. And we're going to continue to go back into this recessionary period here. So there is silver, and when it dropped, you know what? Oops, let me close that. When it dropped, well, why did it do that? When it dropped, you know, you notice how you don't want to buy, but when it's going up, I got to tell you, I looked at stuff since it went up over $1 today. I was looking to buy stuff all day long, and I didn't actually buy anything. I almost bought some gold at spot, but you know how you feel like you want to buy when it's going up? Isn't that the weirdest thing? I remember when I bought those Eagles when silver was like up here, I thought, wow, look what a good deal I got at $29. But, you know, things do go back and forth, and you have to force yourself to buy when you don't want to. And from time to time, you should probably take a little off when you don't want to also. That's a lesson I learned. But that's short term, right? In the long term, we know we're going to regain this. And I don't know why, you know, gold wouldn't keep going and silver wouldn't follow it. But we could have some setbacks here. The dollar could strengthen, and you know, that would send everything back down. And you better believe all those short sellers out there, when silver was you know, in the 27s and whatnot, they were just waiting for the dollar to change direction, and they jumped on that like crazy. So don't think that won't happen again. I just think you have to be willing to accept, you know, a $3-4 price range on your silver if you're going to stay in this market without panicking. As you know, I'm looking to convert my gold, 1 ounce of gold, into silver, but I'm waiting for GSR to get to 90 to 1. Would have been better if silver had waited a day to do this, because maybe we would have gotten closer. But I think we're in the high 70s now. So it's trying to push its way back. I don't know. I don't know if silver takes a dip down and gold stays strong, we might get there. So let's go on and see what there is to buy. All right, like I said, I've been looking around and trying to find things that haven't been repriced for the move. And that probably won't happen at JM Bullion, but I did find some good stuff on eBay. I'll see if I can show you. Here they say they have a JM Bullion weekly deal with any condition 10-ounce bars, $272. So a little premium there, but not too bad. King George sovereigns, and I don't know the weight on that. Oh, 0.2354, pretty close to a quarter ounce. If you want that, let's see what else there is here. Oh, they've got the 100-ounce bars for $2,700, but you want to see the eagles, right? Their eagles are still pretty expensive. But let me show you the one I found. Yeah, 29 as low as, so it's even going to be more. Oh, I don't want to add it to my cart. It's going to be more if you only want a tube. Let's see, a tube is 30.62. So that's, but over, let me show you where I was this morning. Okay, let's see if it's still here. It's over at Gainesville is where I went to, and it was earlier in the day, but silver had moved a ton by that point. I'm going to look up American Silver Eagles. I almost bought these, if they still have them. Yeah, look at this. So they do charge shipping, and shipping is like 50 cents a coin. It's really high. But for $29.26 you can get random year, and for $30.02 you can get the 2020s plus the 50 cents. But what I liked about the random year, which would be more collectible than the 2020s because the mintage would be lower, look what they say. They still have them. They say limited supply, 1 ounce American Silver Eagles minted prior to 2014. So that seems like a pretty good deal to get some older Eagles at $29.26 plus 50 shipping. So cool, huh? Okay, I'm over on eBay and somebody did buy it, but it was this 2020 1 ounce gold kangaroo. We've got to be Perth Mint, right? Yeah, this was 1980. And it's just an individual selling her gold kangaroo. Looks legit, but after my 3% rebate, that would have been right around spot. So almost bought that, but didn't. Let's see what else we can find. All right, still on eBay. I just typed in poured silver just for the heck of it. Let's see if there's anything cool we can see here. Oh, that's neat. Where we go one, we go all. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, God, that's QAnon. Oh, wow. I wonder who minted that. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where that's minted, but that's a pretty good looking round. Okay, let's see what else we got here. $8.85 for a 10-ounce Engelhard? Wow, that must be rare. Dang, man. Gold standard, $8.85. Not with my money. Jeez. But it'd be okay to find it, right? And then have that be your profit. Silver Shield. Boy, Silver Shield's doing well these days, huh? Here we got a Scottsdale 100 gram. Stacker, $112. Well, that would be 30 something an ounce. Yeah, I wouldn't pay that. Let's see, here's some prospectors. Where's the poured silver? God, they don't even have poured silver in poured silver. Andrew Jackson, half-ounce round. Let me type in bar or ingot. Those are more fun. You ever do vintage ingot search? Here's a 2-ounce Engelhard. Those are cute. I would pay $92 for that probably. Let's see. What's this one? Too expensive. $450. JKL. I don't know that maker. Somebody's polished that though and ruined it. Let's see what else oh, look at that. Oh, Swiss of America. I know I have a friend who has one of these. $2.99 for 5 ounces. Wow, those really went up in price. They're these round ingots. Very, very cool. I think it was one of the first big round ingots. But not at 60 bucks an ounce. Gosh, guys. Let's see what else we can find here. There's a Silvertown for $3.49. Used to buy those all day long for $1.70. Let's see, a 5-ounce Lion, $50 an ounce. Who makes this? Enchanted Disney? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's Jaeger. Wow, that's really pretty. Wow, in a box and everything. It's pretty sweet. Jaeger does good work. If you don't have any Jaeger poured silver, you should get some right away. I don't even know what that is. 20 gram? Too small. Wow, where's the big silver? Yeah, okay, what's this? Chile National. Okay. All right, let's see what else we can find. Let's get off eBay. Okay, well, we're over at Scottsdale Mint, and let's shop now. Let's see what's up here. Yeah, we know your shipping times are long. Expect at least 3 weeks. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. I had to put the puppy out. Let's see. So $2.80 for the 10-ounce stackers, and I think those were cheaper on eBay today. Thank you, Juice Stacker, for that tip. We got the 100-ounce at $27.11. I was really kind of interested in their gold, to tell you the truth. There's a little bar here I really like, which is cheaper on eBay, especially with my 3% discount. But since I'm a little bit gold crazy lately, oh yeah, this one, I really like this one. It is called the Scottsdale Marquis. It's 1 ounce, and one of them is $2,049, but I really think it's much cheaper on eBay, much cheaper. But isn't that pretty? I know, probably not the smartest purchase in the world, but I have almost bought that a couple of times now. All right, I just popped over to E-Trade, which is a great trading platform if you're looking for one. And I thought I'd run through some of the baskets that I watch really quickly. This is base metals, and base metals had a good week, or they ended with a good week. So now that basket of base metals is up 21%. But I'm getting out of base metals. I'm going to be liquidating base metals. I think that run is like a little overdone there. Let's see what else. Silver miners, right? Where are my silver miners? Way on the bottom. Okay, silver miners, they picked up, I think, about 7% in the last day or two. So silver miners are up to, my miners are up to 37.4% since I purchased them around June. There is one stock in here that is not a miner. So they came back nicely. However, the penny stocks that I picked up have not. Hold on. All right, these are the penny stocks that I picked up by checking out Sprott Inc. Yeah, they have not recovered. Okay, so yeah, some of them were in the green today, but they took a big dive when silver took its dive. So I think it's going to take them a little while longer to get healthy. Okay, guys, well, I think I'm going to leave it here for the day. I was just flashing back on something I made a few years ago. These were hearts made from Griswold cast iron patty mold, and hand doweled the wood piece in the bottom so they would stand up. That project was a lot of fun. I think that's probably one of my favorite things I ever made. It given me a little bit of motivation to maybe get back and start pouring something. But unfortunately, I have to build a garage to be able to find room to do something like this again. But anyway, I recall these Griswold hearts. They were really pretty. So that's really all I have for you today. I didn't buy anything new, just thinking about the future, and I'm still holding tight to all the precious metals. I hope you are too. Are you buying? Are you waiting? What in the world are we going to do other than just enjoy the ride? All right, my friends, I will talk to you soon. Louie out.